Okay, what we want to quickly cover today is adding additional expert advisors and indicators to MetaTrader. Okay, so down here you'll see in the navigator window a list of indicators. You also see a list of expert advisors right here. Okay, we have one down here, and I'll show you where you'll need to add those in order for them to show up down here in the navigator. So what we're going to do, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to close down MetaTrader. Okay, go up to File and Exit. Okay, now this is where you place the expert advisors and indicators that you get that are commercially available. If you buy a Forex robot that is an expert advisor, then you download it. Probably it's in a zip file. You would unzip it, and what you want to do is to go inside of your MetaTrader installation in your Program Files MetaTrader directory. Then you want to go to Experts. Double click on Experts to open. As you can see here, we have the moving average experts. Okay, and what I've done is I've just stored a couple of expert advisors here. This is just for the purposes of illustration. They don't go here. These are some I just stored here just so we could copy them to the correct directory. So I hit Control C, go back over to Experts, hit Control V to paste, and the MACD sample and the other MACD samples show up. Now there are two different types of files here. You'll see an EX4, which is the executable file, as well as the MQ4. The MQ4 is an editable file that you can open up your editor, MetaTrader editor, and make changes to it. The reason you're seeing these in this case is that these are demonstration files that come standard with MetaTrader. If you're buying a commercially available expert advisor, you will get the .exe file, which is not one that you can edit. Now also notice that this is in the experts directory, straight in the experts directory. Now in a subdirectory of that called indicators is where you would place any indicators you would have. You download an indicator, you buy a new indicator and download the EX4, and it is going to show up. You want it to be in here, so it'll show up in the navigator window. So let's start MetaTrader and see where the new expert advisor is. Okay, here we are. So let's go down and click on expert advisors, and there we have it. MACD sample shown up. Usually when you're installing an expert advisor, it will be smart to shut down MetaTrader prior to the installation of the expert advisor, and then place the expert advisor in the correct directory, in the experts directory inside of your MetaTrader directory in the program files. Well, that almost sounded a little confusing, isn't it? Your installation directory contains an experts directory, and that's where you place the expert advisors. And that experts directory, there is a subdirectory called indicators, and that's where you place all of these, is in the indicators section. Since we're here, let's pop in and take a moving average, expert advisor, and to get an expert advisor activated, you simply left click, drag it, place it on the chart. You'll notice immediately that there are inputs that you can change. If you want that to be one lot, you could do that rather than 0.1. You could change these things too, provided you understand what things are to be changed. If you're using a commercially available expert advisor, then it's advised to use the standards as dictated by the vendor. Okay, live trading. Okay, click up here on expert advisors to activate. And when you see the smiley face, you'll know that everything is just fine and that it's all set to automatically place trades. Now what I'll do now is I will remove the expert advisor, and that's that. Okay, the same holds true for indicators. You grab an indicator you like. Let's see, moving average. We drag it, go on a different chart here. And this is a 10 period moving average. Simple moving average, okay. You can do that there. MACD, you do the same here. And you can change things around here, again, dependent upon what your particular methodology dictates you should be using. Okay, indicator list, MACD, I'm just removing it. Right click or Control I, just cleaning up the charts here. So the charts are all nice and clean. So you see where that is on the navigator menu for all of your indicators, expert advisors, custom indicators as well. And that's basically it. You see how simple it is to install an expert advisor and get it up and running. And basically all of these that are commercially available will have a set of instructions with them that make it very straightforward for you. So next, we're going to continue to explore more of MetaTrader.